Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing these two American Girl Team USA sets. The first set we have is this Team USA medal ceremony set. I open it out of the box. It has some tissue paper in here. So the first thing we have is this USA jacket. We have some medals, it looks like here. Put those to the side. Then we have a flag for the set. And finally, a flag care booklet. First up, we have this flag care booklet. If you open it up, it has details about the flag along with how your doll should hold it. The paper is very shiny and it has a nice design on the back of it as well as for the front. Next here we have this American flag. If you open it up, it's honestly pretty big, much bigger than I thought. It has elastics on to the top ends which do stretch quite a lot. It doesn't have it on the bottom, and let me flip it to the right side here. It does seem pretty durable and it seems almost waterproof, but I'm not gonna try that. Then we have the medals in this set. So they're each nicely wrapped in these bags, and the metal part actually is also wrapped further in tissue paper. So if I unwrap that, wow, these medals are just really shiny, like much more shinier than I thought they would be. They have much more of a glow, and they do Velcro and slide across the ribbon here. And it's a bit heavier than I thought it'd be. Not too heavy, like you can obviously carry it and stuff and put it around your doll. But I really like the added weight feature just because it makes it more realistic. It has a design, and on the back it just says American Girl. The design has a trophy on it with some stars around it, and if I wrap the gold one, it's basically similar to both the silver and the bronze ones, and they're just all really nice. I pretty much got this set just because of the medals. I just really saw them online. I thought they were so cute, and they're even cuter in person. They're really perfect size for the doll, and overall, great design. The last part of this set we have is this Team USA jacket with the Olympic logo and the American flag. It has a zipper, which obviously unzips. It has a star on it, and I didn't really have too much trouble with the zipper, just a bit at the bottom. On the back it says Team USA, it has red cuffs, blue sleeves, and honestly it's just perfect with the set. The next set we have is the Team USA track and field set. This is really cool. Let me open it. Here, I'm really excited for this set too because I think it will go perfect under the Team USA ceremony set jacket. I think the outfits will really go together well, and I'm really excited to see how that is on my dolls. So once I open it out of the box here, again, we have tissue paper, nicely wrapped in. If I take out the pieces, it looks like we have a top for the Team USA tracksuit. We have navy blue shorts, more like sporty shorts it seems. We have some gold shoes, a baton, which really looks shiny. And then it looks like we have a headband here, and a number for your track person. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, to be honest. Alright, so the shoes, or should I say cleats, they have looks like cleats on the bottom. They really nice and strong and sturdy. It has some sparkle on the shoelace, and these shoes are elastic lace, so you don't actually have to tie the shoes, which is nice. They can just slip onto your dolls. Next here we have the shorts, which are a stretchy material, also kind of shiny, scratch and shine, not sparkle, just like it's really just the fabric kind of shining. And then we have the top to accompany that, which says Team USA on the front. It has another Olympic kind of logo. It's not exactly the Olympic logo, more of an American logo. And some Velcro on the back. It's also all red on the back, and the shorts are elastic. So that covers the outfit pretty much. Then we have the accessories of the outfit in the set. It has a red headband which has this tag here. I'm probably just going to cut that off. But the headband is very stretchy, so it's great to put on your dolls. And it's red, so it definitely matches, so that's really cool. If I put that to the side, the next thing we have is this baton, which is very shiny, like I mentioned before. It's also, again, heavier than I thought it'd be. Well, it's not too heavy, it's not as heavy as the metals, but I really do think this baton is very quality. And I like that it has the little thing for your dolls to hold. Like, it has the little handle, which is really nice, so you don't have to just like have it drop out of their hands or something. I don't know, but I just think that added feature is nice that they're adding that to some of these doll accessories. Then we have this number, which you can elastic around your doll. It's not Velcro, so it's a bit harder to put on than some other stuff, but that's okay. And this number, it's not made out of paper. It's more made out of a vinyl sort of fabric. So that means, again, it's really good because it doesn't rip as much. Obviously it could rip, so I wouldn't try to rip it, but paper rips more easily, so I really think that's nice. It stretches a lot, and the elastic is white. And overall, this set is really cute. So I honestly really like this track set. I think probably my favorite part's obviously gonna be the baton. And the jacket, again, it does really go with the track set. So overall, I really like it. Here's how it looks on my dolls. I really think it's cool. It's on McKenna and Molly here. Which set's my favorite? I'm probably going to go with the ceremony set just because of the medals. But I really think both are great, and I would absolutely buy these. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.